Michelle Lash from Dentsply Sirona. Today I want to review a hot topic with you, dental unit water lines. Now, over the last several years, we've heard about dental unit waterline outbreaks in dental facilities, which have sadly impacted the health of many patients. When we talk about dental unit waterlines, instantly we think of air water syringe tips or high-speed handpieces. But oftentimes, ultrasonic scalers are overlooked as a dental unit waterline that also needs to be maintained. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to properly maintain your Cavitron scaling system's waterline. So let's get started.
Prepare a 1 to 10 sodium hypochlorite solution by mixing 1 part 5.25% sodium hypochlorite with 10 parts tap water. Remove the cap and pour 1 to 10 sodium hypochlorite solution into the Cavitron Select SPS Reservoir bottle. Do not overfill the solution. Securely replace the cap on the bottle. Turn the system on. Adjust the lavage water control at the base of the handpiece to maximum water flow and begin to flush the 1 to 10 sodium hypochlorite solution through the system for at least 30 seconds. Turn the system off. The system should be left undisturbed, allowing the prepared solution to sit in the waterline for a minimum of 10 minutes, but no more than 30 minutes. It is recommended that a sign be placed on the scaling system, "Do not use, system is being treated." After the minimum 10-minute wait time has passed, unscrew the cap and discard the disinfectant solution. Fill the Cavitron Select Reservoir bottle with tap or distilled water. Do not overfill with liquid. Turn the system on. Flush clean water through the system for 2 minutes or until all the sodium hypochlorite odor disappears. Turn the system off. Detach the Cavitron Select SPS scaler from the Select Reservoir system. Detach the Cavitron Select Reservoir bottle from the pump. Autoclave the Cavitron Select Reservoir bottle per the infection control procedure booklet supplied with your system. Ensure that all the sodium hypochlorite solution has been completely flushed from the system prior to use on a patient. Your system is now ready for use. Follow the CDC's guidelines for frequency of testing water lines and performing testing to your Cavitron scaling system on those intervals.
Thanks for hanging out in the world of water lines with me today. For more information on Cavitron ultrasonic scaling systems, contact your local Dentsply Sirona sales representative.